So I've been sitting on this loading dock for about 3.5 hours now. So broker emailed me and then he called me. So he lets me know that the load that I'm supposed to be picking up today, it ain't going out today. They don't have all the product ready, so they won't be shipping that load. YouTube, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is officially the first day of DOT week. Yep, DOT's out here acting a full 72-hour blitz, but there's a very high possibility they won't see me. I'm out here driving, I'm trucking, but I could almost guarantee you they won't see me, they won't find me. I'm gonna be invisible. I'm gonna be out here working, but I'm gonna be invisible. So my plan was to stay home and not work during DOT week. You know, I've got a couple of things I gotta work on my truck. Nothing major. I gotta fix my AC. I wanted to polish my wheels, and I was supposed to do a PM on my truck, but I already banged that out on Mother's Day. So I'm ahead of the game. So I'm picking up this load. It's about 5 miles from where I parked my truck, and from the pickup to the delivery is about 3 to 4 miles. So in total, about 9 miles, 600 bucks. Can't beat that. I'm picking it up today, and it's coming off the truck today. My pickup is between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. Right now it's about 2:30. I'm about to head over there, and it's coming off at 6 o'clock. So can't beat that. It's all local roads. I don't have to go on the freeway. So I can almost assure you that I won't run into DOT during this inspection week. So let's get rolling, and let's go pick up this load. And also, if this is your first time coming across my channel, hit that subscribe button, subscribe, join the family. We have a beautiful thing going on over here. Almost at 200K. I started this channel 11 months ago. And my goal is to get to 200K by the end of May. So let's do this. Let's go. I was looking at Google Maps, and I've never been to this place before, and it looks like it's a pretty small facility, so see what happens when we get over there. Looks like it's tucked away off the road. It's in the back. I've probably driven by that building several times, but never noticed it, because it looks like it's kind of tucked away in the back based on what I saw on Google Maps. And in terms of DOT week, don't get no better than this, man. It's been raining like crazy all day. There was a little thundering earlier, some lightning. That's a perfect day to start off DOT week. Because trust me, DOT ain't trying to be under nobody's truck getting wet. You know, as tough as these DOT officers will try to pretend, they ain't trying to get wet. They ain't trying to be under nobody's truck while it's raining. Trust me. That line is there for a reason, man. That line is there for a reason. So it should be on my left. and 0.4 mile. Now I gotta pay attention because it's not an actual street. Looks like it's just a driveway. So according to Google Maps, it's a driveway after this building. 2 buildings up on my left. So as soon as I cross over the railroad tracks, should be coming up. So it should be this building right here. So according to Google, I gotta make a left. Right here. Here it is. Yep, picking up some sushi. There it is. You know, I drive past this location probably about 6-7 times a week, and I've never noticed it, so I wouldn't even know it's back here. And you can't see the building from the street anyways. Alright, so the loading dock should be on my right. So I'm hoping when I get a door, they put me on one of the closer doors towards the end over here. Because if I get a door towards the end, I got a blind side. I mean, which I would if I have to. And I'm not gonna go back there right now. I'm actually gonna back up because if one of those guys on the dock are trying to leave, they won't be able to leave. So I'm gonna back up to the driveway and I'm just gonna walk over there and I'll try to check in. Normally, you know, I would get out the truck and I'll walk and go check it out if I've never been there before. And that's exactly what I should have done right now. Hence the reason why I'm backing up. And before I started backing up, I was able to see a clear view of what was behind me because the truck was at an angle, so I could see if there was a car or something behind me. All right, guys, so let's go see what's going on in this office and see if I can get checked in. All right, y'all, so there's a plot twist to this load. So I've been sitting on this loading dock for about 3.5 hours now. Right now it's about 6:30. Checked in around 3 o'clock. So broker emailed me and then he called me about 4:30, so about 2 hours ago. So he lets me know that the load that I'm supposed to be picking up today, it ain't going out today. They don't have all the product ready, so they won't be shipping that load. But it all worked out in my favor. They do have a load that is supposedly ready and is going to the same facility that I was going to be delivering to at 6 o'clock. So This load will be delivering between 8 and 10 p.m. tonight. And the load that I was supposed to be picking up and delivering today at 6 o'clock, I'll be picking that up tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. So it's a blessing in disguise because it's DOT week. I didn't plan on working. This is a local load that doesn't require me leaving home. This is literally right around the corner from where I park my truck. I don't have to go on the freeway, and it's just a straight shot to get over here. The receiver is about 3 miles down the road, and from the receiver back to the truck yard, about 3 miles. So once I'm loaded, from the shipper to the receiver, it's about 3 to 4 miles, $600. Can't beat that. Tomorrow, we're gonna get up and do it all over again. So that's how I'm gonna be spending my DOT week. So we'll see what happens. This is my first load with the broker, but he seemed like a good dude. He already initiated the tension without me asking. So we'll see what happens. If I could get another load or two like this for the rest of the week, I ain't going nowhere. I'm just gonna stay right here. All right, y'all, so I'm about to back up on door 111, which is right here. And now we just gonna blindside on this door real quick. So I'm a little bummed out, man. On my way over here, I thought I was recording, doing all this talking. My camera on the front was recording, but the POV camera on top of my head, which is what I use for the audio, because that's what my microphone's connected to, it wasn't recording. And I thought it was. And I was talking real soft, real low, because the microphone's right here on my chest. So I probably got to get rid of all that because the audio would be way too low if I were to use the audio coming from the camera on the front. Because like I said, I was talking real low, because I thought I was talking into the microphone. But that's how we do it out here, man. We the king of blindside out here. One pull up, we should be good. And I know somebody's gonna say, yeah, that's easy, it's wide open. Yeah, but you also gotta put it between the lines too. Y'all see that back there? We lined up. Let's take it back. I don't know why I have my wipers going still. I'm not sure if they want me to open up these doors yet. Because normally they gotta come outside and break the seal. There is no seal on this though. Alright, so I'm gonna open up. And you also have to slide your tandem when you come over here too. If you don't slide your tandems, which I don't think I popped the brake for the trailer, so I gotta go back inside and pop the brake. Yeah, if you don't slide your tandems, they won't unload you over here. Alright, tandem slid to the rear. Now let's take her back. It shouldn't take long because these guys are actually about to leave. They're about to go home. They thought this load was canceled, so they weren't expecting me here. And just like that, we are in the house. Alright, YouTube, we are officially done with this load, man. Alright, Kevin. Appreciate you, bro. All right, yes, sir. Easy now, all right? Good dude right there, man. So, obviously, things didn't go as planned with this load, time-wise. But, still a good load. In total, deadhead to the pickup, 5 miles. From the pickup to the drop-off, less than 4 miles. And from here back to the truck yard, watch, I'll put it in right now. So we're going to do some calculations. Go home. 1/2 mile, turn right. 4.3 miles. So 5 plus 4, that's 9. Plus 4.3. So let's just say 14 miles. Let's just call it 14 miles altogether. $600. I'll take it. And yes, 9 and 4 is 13, but we're just gonna round it off to 14. All right, y'all, so my battery's dying, and I don't feel like swapping this battery again today. The other ones are actually basically dead on the charger also. So I'm about to shut it down. Again, appreciate everybody who tuned in to the end. And tomorrow, we're going to get up and do it all over again. Same pickup location, same delivery, just a little earlier. Tomorrow, my pickup is at 10 in the morning, and my drop-off is scheduled for 1 p.m. So hopefully tomorrow goes a lot smoother, and I'll be back home at a decent time. Because I left home today at, I believe it was a little after 1:15, 1:30, somewhere around there. And I'm heading back home. I'll be home by 10:30. From where I park my truck, it's only going to take me about 8 to 10 minutes to get home. So yeah, we're going to do it all again tomorrow. So again, appreciate you guys, and catch y'all on the next one. Peace out, guys.